Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn here about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means when we write the numbers from smallest to biggest, it is called ascending order. So underline the word from smallest to the biggest. So in case of ascending order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are ascending orders. These numbers are in ascending orders because we have written these numbers from smallest to biggest. So remember, in case of ascending order, we write the numbers from smallest to biggest. But in case of descending order, we write the numbers from biggest to the smallest. Here it is just opposite of ascending order. We write the numbers from biggest to smallest. So if we just take into account these numbers, how we'll write in descending order? So we'll start with the biggest number first. 10, 9, 7, 6. So these numbers are in descending order because numbers are written from biggest to smallest. So in case of ascending order, numbers are written from smallest to biggest. In case of descending order, numbers are written from biggest to smallest. So this is the difference. Now we'll do an exercise. Here few numbers are given. We have to write them in ascending order. So here one number is in 4 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 numbers are in 3 digit and one is in 2 digit. So 2 digit number is the smallest one. So in case of ascending order, we will write the numbers from smallest to biggest. So here 34 is the smallest number. So we will write 34 first. Then we'll write the 3 digit numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are in 3 digit. So we'll compare the 100 place first. So here 5, here 9, here 2, here 5, here 2. So in 200 case, two numbers are there, 292 and 296. So out of 292 and 296, 292 is the smallest. So we'll write 292 first. Then 296. Now here it is 100 place is 5, here it is 5 and here 9. So first we'll take the 500 numbers. So here 567, here 586. So 567 is the smallest number out of these two. So 567. Next 586. Next is 986. 986 and lastly 1115. So these numbers are in ascending order. Now another example is given. Here these numbers are there, we have to write them in descending order. That means from biggest to smallest. So here one number is in 2 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in 3 digit and 1 in 4 digit. So 4 digit number is the highest here. So we'll write 4 digit number first. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are in 3 digits. So we'll compare the 100 place first. Here 5, here 2, here 4, here 5. So in 5 we have 2 numbers. So one is 549, one is 543. So here 543 is the smallest one and this is the largest one among these two numbers. So we'll write the 549 first, biggest one. Next 543. Now here two numbers are there in 3 digit. One is 298, one is 444. So 444 is the bigger among these two. So 444 will write here, then 298, and lastly the 2-digit number, that is 23. So these numbers are arranged in descending order from these numbers. So students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. In case you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you everybody.